Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi love! Back with me DJ Lala para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Aarangkada na po ang ating biyaheng suportahan. Unang punto kung bakit kailangan meron kang strong support system in life. Because love, you're not always gonna be strong. Kahit gaano ka pa katatag, kahit gaano ka pa ka-independent, kakailanganin mo ng someone to be by your side when things go rough. Even when wala naman silang ibang ma-offer sa'yo but just to be there. That secured feeling na for once, you can just fall apart and cry and someone will be there to help you pull yourself back together is enough to help you through tough times. May mga tao kasing mataas ang tingin sa iyo to the point na akala nila indestructible ka, not knowing na just like them, nasasaktan ka, nahihirapan ka, nalulumo ka, and only those people who really know you would know when to be there for you or ask you kung okay ka lang, kung kailangan mo ba ng pahinga. Kaya love, invest on a strong and loyal support system. You'll never know when you'll need them. Klaro? Ikalawang punto kung bakit kailangan mo ng support system, my love. Time is of the essence. No matter how smart or brilliant you are, it will always be smarter if you have someone to do things with you, lalong-lalo na if you are working against the clock. Minsan kasi sa kagustuhan ng tao to get all the credit, sinasarili niya ang mga bagay na mas madali at mas efficient gawin ng may kasama. Some days, it's because of too much pride na kaya mo to on your own when in reality, mas makakabuti kung meron kang katuwang. Love, asking for help or taking help from someone does not make you any less brilliant. Hindi lahat ng tao ay iki-credit grab yung ginagawa mo, lalo na kung gipit ka sa oras. Having an attitude like that, na kaya mo lahat, kaya mong mag-isa, makes people uneasy working with you. Either maging intimidated sila sa pagka-perfectionist mo or ayawan lang talaga nila kasi buwakaw ka sa credit. So love, if you'll humble yourself and share the spotlight with people, you'll shine more and mas magiging productive ang oras mo. So please love, take help when offered, seek help when needed. Hindi mo ikabababa yan. Klaro? Taawat muna tayo sa ating biyaheng suportahan kasi meron naman tayong pagbibigyan na biyahe center of the night. This one was sent to us over at DJ Lala Banderas Facebook page. So ito na ang biyahe ni April. Hi DJ Lala, ako po si April. May boyfriend po ako. Nabuntis niya po ako. Pero bago ko pa malaman na buntis ako, wala na po kami. Sinabi ko po ito sa kanya at sabi ko po tustusan pa rin niya yung bata. Pero ang gusto niya ay kunin si baby. Ano po ba ang gagawin ko? Thank you and more power to your show. Hi April, well I think this is just a matter of being misinformed. Kasi ang mga kabataan today, even with the presence of free information from the internet, lacking sila ng initiative to research about important things in life such as this. Gusto nila lahat kasi spoon-fed Well, hindi ko linalahat but you know what I mean? Dumaan naman tayo lahat sa phase na yan We are all careless and carefree once in our lives. So April, I think this is just a matter of explaining sa ex mo na that is not how it works. The custody of the minor will always be sa mother. Otherwise, if i-dispute nila for legal reasons, let's take for example, nambubugbog ka, gumagamit ka ng ipinagbabawal na gamot, threatened ang safety and well-being ng bata, or mentally unstable ka to take care of your own child, and anything within that premise. Pero kung wala ka naman ng alingmang nabanggit, then wala siyang grounds para kunin sa'yo yung bata. Yung conversation niya naman, on the other hand, na kinukuha niya yung bata sa'yo, I believe, but still seek for legal counsel. I believe lang na enough grounds na yan para gamitin na ina-acknowledge niya yung bata as his own. And pwede mo na yang ilaban sa barangay for sustento if hindi siya madaan sa maayos na pakikipag-usap. Okay? I suggest pag-usapan niyo muna tong magjowa and explain to him his options. Huwag na kayo magsama ng mga magulang sa usapan unless needed para hindi magulo. But April, kapag pumayag sa sustento, please, open your mind sa co-parenting situation. Bigyan mo pa din siya ng pagkakataong magpakaama sa anak niya. Makasama niyo yung anak niya from time to time and share the kids' milestones with his or her father. Mahirap kasi if mag-uusap lang kayo about pera pero pagdating sa involvement ng ama sa pagpapalaki, sarado yung isipan mo. Like decision, kung ano yung mga dapat gawin ng bata, kung ano yung dapat i-take ng bata, any important course sa buhay ng bata, you have to involve the father in. If gusto mong magkaroon kayo ng symbiotic relationship sa co-parenting na yan. So, uulitin ko, case lang ito, love, ng pagiging misinformed. So, educate your ex and talk about this in a mature and decent way. If all else fail, resort to legal actions. May laban ka. Klaro? Nako, April, sana nakatulong ako sa clarity or sa kalinawan ng pag-iisip mo. Basta sa mga ganitong pagkakataon, set your emotions aside and be rational when it comes to your decision. This is not the moment para maging emotional ka. Though I know it's hormones. O diba, yung hormonal aspects ng pagbubuntis mo ay somehow overwhelming for you or sometimes get the best of you. But please, yung mga ganitong klaseng desisyon, take time to actually think about it before you act. Okay? Sa mga kabisyo natin, if katulad ni April, meron din po kayong mga pinagdadaanan and you want some source of clarity, abay, pwede naman kayong lumapit sa aking programa. All you have to do is send your problems over sa aking Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. You can also send it sa aking IG account or i-text nyo na ako diretso 0917-851-4329. Again, 0917-851-4329. Yan ang ating biyahe text line. Huling punto ng ating biyaheng suportahan before tayo magtapos ng ating biyahe. Love, bakit nga ba kailangan mong magkaroon ng matinding support system? It's because life is ultimately better when shared. Parang pagkain lang yan, my love, or chicheria for example. For some reason, parang mas masarap siya kapag pinag-aagawan, di ba? Kung ikaw na lang mag-isa kumakain sa kanya, parang ang boring na, parang di mo maubos, o di ba? You end up not enjoying the experience. Ganun din sa buhay. Things become more memorable when shared with the people you love. Without establishing a great support system, you'll have no one to share those moments with. So learn to give para meron ka ding ma-receive. If yung tao takes time to be there for you, be sure to spare some to be there for them as well. I believe, my love, with the right people around you, life can be amazing. Klaro? Nako, sa mga kabisyo natin, I think that's it for me sa ating biyahe today. Ayan na, sana po marami kayong natutunan. Sana nakapag-offer ako ng clear head sa iyo or clarity or realization. Any point of reference para ma-turn yung mood mo around or yung mentality mo towards life, perspective mo about relationship, that will do for me. So, again, kung gusto nyo ng more biyahe like this, you wanna learn more, you wanna understand more in my perspective, all you have to do ay i-follow ang aking mga biyahe episodes sa YouTube ng Love Radio Manila. Punta ka lang sa playlist, hanapin mo yung biyahe, you can preview yung ating mga previous episodes doon. At syempre sa mga kabisyo natin, if it's not too much to ask, pwede nyo din po akong i-follow sa aking mga socials, DJ Lala Banderas on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Laika. Ayan, pwede nyo ako i-follow dyan, DJ Lala Banderas ang aking handle. At sa mga kabisyo natin, I have a great news for you. This one nakita ko lang today and I just wanna share it with you. Though hindi pa yata open yung voting nila, ang inyong lingkod po ay nominated sa Lionheart TV bilang isa sa mga napupusuan nilang maging best radio DJ or best radio personality. Ayan. So if it's not too much to ask, kapag nagpalabas po kami ng creatives or nagpalabas kami ng post for voting, ayan, pwede kayong sumaporta sa akin doon. I am nominated together with my fellow jock sa Love Radio Manila na si DJ Rocky Terra. Ayan, pwede nyo kaming iboto doon para sa Best Radio DJ or Best Radio Personality ng Lionheart TV Awards. Taray! Nakasama niyo po, DJ Lala Banderas para sa aking programang biyahe, ang programang sakto. Klaro, diretso. Dito lang yan sa 90.7 Love Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang. Good night everybody. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye! Love you!
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.